Nothing puts a damper on a road trip like having to stop the car, pop the hood, and check the engine. Unless, of course, you're just checking to see if your pork tenderloin is done. Engine block cooking is a fun and practical way to prepare meals while on the road. To make the most of this tradition, choose meals that fit your trip and prepare them as you would for an oven. Wrap your food securely in heavy-duty aluminum foil. Don't skimp on the foil, as you'll want to make sure that your food is completely wrapped and that you can fold one edge of the foil over the other. Too much foil is better than too little. Next, find a hot spot on your engine, typically near the exhaust manifold, after warming it up. Ensure the food fits well in the cooking area, securing it with additional foil or wire if necessary, while avoiding moving parts. As you drive, keep an eye on the cooking times, checking the food earlier than expected. Once done, use tongs or pot holders to remove the hot package safely and enjoy your delicious meal on the go.